So in scenario 5, let's see what we have here. He had some similar purchases. It's been easy to figure out the cost of each item when the purchases had some similarity to them, like the same number of flakes or the same number of tidbits or whatever. His last set of receipts made it a little more difficult, though. 1 week he had some other brands of cat and dog food. So on Monday he's got 3 small bags of cat food, 5 small bags of dog food, and it was $22.75. He went through those bags pretty quickly, though, so he had to go to the store on Thursday, and he bought 2 more small bags of cat food, 3 more small bags of dog food, and now it was $14.25. So based on that information, see if we can figure out the cost of each of those. So I'm going to start out with, I'm going to say 3 bags of cat food, plus 5 bags of dog food was $22.75. That's my first scenario. My second scenario was 2 bags of cat food and 3 bags of dog food, and that was $14.25. So in this case, if we use the technique we did earlier where we just subtracted or, like eliminated either the dog food or the cat food, you could see that there was just an increment of 1 here. Well, now we have, if we look at the difference of these two, the difference of these two would be 1 bag of cat food difference and 2 bags of dog food difference. And then, of course, some money difference. Well, it turns out we can look at these differences, so let's do that. Let's see the difference between what we bought in week 1, or on Monday, and what we bought on Thursday. So the difference in cat foods was 1 bag of cat food. The difference in dog foods was 2 bags of dog food. And the difference in price was, whatever this difference is here, 50 cents, $8.50. So we do know that 1 bag of cat food and 2 bags of dog food is $8.50. So I'm going to do that one more time. And here's what I mean by do it one more time. I'm going to compare now, because none of these match still. I'm going to compare these 2 equations now. And I'm going to say, well, what's the difference between this equation, this middle equation, and the bottom equation? How are they different? Well, if I look at the difference in those, I'm going to have 1 bag of cat food difference. So I'm basically just taking the 2, subtracting that 1. And there's a difference here in 1 bag of dog food. And the difference in price here to here is, let's see, 75 cents, $5.75. So I know that 1 bag of cat food and 1 bag of dog food is $5.75. I'm going to do this one more time, or one more comparison, and now take a look. Compare the last 2. The last 2 rows, you compare them. Now the only difference between the 2 rows, other than the money, is the 1 bag of dog food. So if I look at the difference here, 1 bag of dog food is going to be the difference in these dollar amounts, which is, let's see, if I add 25 cents here, that's $6. So, $6, $7, $8.75. Did that wrong. $2.75 is the difference between here and here. Yeah. So 1 bag of dog food, $2.75. And to figure out the cat food, I'm just going to go right here. 1 cat plus 1 dog food at $2.75 equals $5.75. So the cat food must just be the difference in these 2, which, that's a little bit easier math, $3. A bag of cat food is $3. A bag of dog food is $2.75. All right. So your next thing you need to do is set, ready, and go homework.